Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and make a tag for your Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is, firstly, obviously you need to have a server and you need to be the admin of it. Secondly, you need to go ahead and have an account, obviously, and then you need to simply go ahead and click on your server. Now all you need to do is on the top left, click on your server name and click on server settings. Now once you've done that, as you can see, this is a brand new feature called server tag. Simply go ahead and click on the second button right over here on this left hand side menu and then click on that. Once you've done that, as you can see, it says unlock with boosting. One thing I need to make clear is that you need to in fact go ahead and purchase boosting in order to go ahead and have a server tag. And then it's going to simply go ahead and let you have a max 4 character server tag that will show up on your peoples or the members of your servers, just like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.